Well, we're a month into the new year. Are you still waiting for the right opportunities to come your way to get your rear in gear? Well, guess what? You're gonna be waiting a while. Whether it be a new feel, a new look, a new job or career, or a new surrounding of people that will encourage you, the list goes on and on. It's going to take work and sacrifice, but everything that is truly earned and worthy requires effort and patience. Yes, there may be and likely will be setbacks along the way, but with your no one can stop you attitude, your new you is already yours. So don't let the only person that can make you quit get in the way. You. Success is a battle of attrition. Mound up and go to war. I'm fired up. Let's do this. Who's with me?